Video. I'm actually down here at a place called Seafood City, located here in San Diego, California, and this is a really good place to go get some really delicious, yummy Filipino food. And we're gonna go inside there and check it out and see what they got. And also alongside here you have the Red Ribbon, which is has a lot of baked goods and so forth. Then you got the Chow King right up here. And this is the entrance to the Seafood City. You see right, chicharron, which is more or less like a pig skin, and it's really good because you kind of dip it into some vinegar and it tastes absolutely delicious. This is some of the barbecue you can get at this Grill City. Let's check it out. This is what you got, some milkfish. This is really good. And you can see the price in there also. And what else do we have here? Mangus. And some of this is like tilapia, which is, I love tilapia. And this is a barbecue. That is really good. And you can see the price, which is 16 bucks. So you don't have to, so you can get maybe, excuse me, a combination meal. That's like a chicken barbecue. Grill City that I'm going to show you, which is just like the Inasal, again, in the Philippines. And well, look at this fella over here that's actually doing the grilling. Now let's check it out. See, look at this. He's actually grilling it right there. Woo, man, that looks good. That's the one they have on a display on the other side, which is I just showed you. Look at this. Chicken barbecue. And this is what you can get up there. Pretty convenient. Look at all the other stuff. You know, it's Saturday afternoon, so it's, you know, pretty busy, kinda. Just taking a look. I'm not cutting in line. I'm just looking. I just love Filipino food. I'm just checking.
Yeah, it is good, man. Try it.
I know. I've had everything here.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh, look at this.
For here?
So this is the pork chicharron, chicken chicharron, and look at this. This is actually lumpia. So that's really good.
Fish. What is it?
And what do we got over here? Got some buko salad. I'll show you what they have. Delicious Filipino desserts, and they have all kinds, believe me. And let's see, they have the puto, which is really good. They just kind of give you an overview right there. Look at that. And we'll take a little bit of a closer look on it. And again, this is a Seafood City. This is another one. Saman. This is more assorted puto and biko. And you have here is a cassava. I'll be picking up some of that. And over here, some more puto run, which is made out of jasmine rice, sugar, and some babinka. I love babinka. Let's see what we got. And you got the refrigerated one, and that's the lechon, which is very good. Maybe we'll pick up some of that too. And over here, salmon. And let's see, we got, this is the big cassava. That's really a bigger portion. What we got here? Buko pandan. Hopia. That's also really good. And let's see, more biko. And on the top of the biko, you have the, it's known as the latik, which is coconut. Because biko is made of sweet rice, brown sugar, and it's kind of like a sticky rice. And there's some more puto. And more puto on the bottom. Right here, and that is made out of Sabah banana with also jackfruit on the inside, and it has it's wrapped with what we call like a egg roll wrap, and used with brown sugar and so forth, and actually fried in oil, and it's really good. And we're gonna pick some up. This is the banana Q. Now, I've made past videos on banana Q when I was over in the Philippines, and I'll be going back over there really soon. And I used to pick this up right there as they made it. It's absolutely delicious. So we're gonna get some cassava. That's really good. So we get that. And let's see what else. Cassava and some babinka. I've always wanted to try some babinka. I've had it before. It's actually been a while since I had it, but it's a good choice for today. And some biko. I love biko. So we're gonna get some of this biko. So what we have is babinka, cassava, and biko. Put it back over here. Really, really good.
Your total is $40.
40 bucks? Okay, there you go.
Thank you.
So it's 40 bucks for all that, which is a pretty good deal. That is a lot of dessert, believe me. And she's packaging it all up. Oh, excellent, excellent. Oh, yeah, you can put it right in there. Thank you.
Hello! Long time no see! Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Happy New Year!
Salamat.
Salamat po.
Okay. So I'm pretty loaded out. Mini sorry store right here in Seafood City. Some of it's a Pinoy Bake, Goldilocks, and what we got? I'll just kind of go around. Babinka, they got, you know, peanuts, barbecue peanuts, ubi, let's see what else. Over here they got the chicharron. Let's see, this is the hopia, and fried anchovies. That's pretty good also. And over here we got obviously hendesil. And there's the suman. This is really good. I love hendesil. Now let's see. Crinkles. And this is the that is really good. Zambales. Filipino food, so check this out. This is the pancit palabok, which is really good, and it absolutely delicious. I got the turon. Now turon is made out of the sabah banana and jackfruit, which is wrapped around with a like a egg roll wrap. I got the cassava, and inside I got the pico and the babinka. And lastly, I always pick up moringa tea because really this is the only place where I can get this malunggay, because you cannot find it anywhere, and it's like a miracle tea. Look it up, Google it, and you'll see what I mean. You simply cannot find this in any US store. You have to buy it mainly in a Filipino store or market. Now they have them all over the Philippines, but this is the only place you can find them. So thank you very much for following along on my little shopping tour here at Seafood City, which is absolutely great because I love Filipino food. So time to go home and edit this video. So see ya from San Diego.